Meal prep versus meal planning, understanding the basics.
Meal planning means deciding in advance what you'll eat for upcoming meals, often for a week. Meal prepping involves actually preparing or cooking meals ahead of time so they're ready to eat. Both concepts can help you eat healthier, save money, and reduce stress, but they aren't the same. Knowing the difference can help you find what suits your lifestyle best.
What is meal planning?
Meal planning is simply mapping out your meals ahead of time. This may include selecting recipes, making shopping lists, and scheduling when you'll cook or eat certain dishes. Planning helps you shop efficiently, avoid last-minute takeout, and stick to dietary goals. It gives structure and foresight, but doesn't require you to do any cooking in advance.
What is meal prepping?
Meal prepping goes a step further by actually preparing, cooking, and often portioning your meals in advance. This can mean making a week's worth of lunches on Sunday or batch cooking dinner components ahead of time. Prepping saves time on busy days, helps control portions, and makes it easier to eat balanced meals, since everything is already ready to eat.
Key differences and benefits.
The main difference: planning is about deciding, prepping is about doing. Meal planning is a great start for organization, while meal prepping emphasizes convenience. Planning might suit those who like flexibility, while prepping fits busier lifestyles or those who want grab-and-go options. Both can help support healthier eating habits and reduce food waste.
Should you plan, prep, or both?
You don't have to choose just one. Many people combine both, planning meals first, then prepping as much as time allows. Try meal planning if you're starting out, or add meal prepping if you want more convenience. Experiment to find what works for you, and remember that even small steps can make healthy eating easier and less stressful.